Okay, cut the lamb to big chunk like this. And then put it into the hot vegetable oil until it gets golden brown. Traditionally, people use animal fat like lamb fat or occasionally cow fat. But nowadays, people start using the vegetable oil. So what I use is the olive oil. It's Barilla olive oil. Also prepare on the side, cut the carrots to the tiny slices like this. And you have to, what I use is 3 big carrots. I'm preparing a meal for 6 people. So this is the amount of carrots you need to cut. And also the onion. I use a small onion and cut it into the slices like that. Saute the onion rings in the hot oil for 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Until when it starts to get brown. Okay? Make sure saute it nicely. And then put all the carrots in. I will put all the carrots in at once. Okay. Then saute it for 5 to 10 minutes. Depends on the temperature of your heat. Okay. After saute the carrots for 5 minutes, it will become like the golden brown like this. See? Golden yellow. It's very nice. Then here's my secret recipe. Make sure, remember, I put some hot peppers inside this and saute for another 2 or 3 minutes. Now the carrots are ready. So I'm gonna use the measure cup to get 1.5 cup of water and pour it right in. Okay, that's not enough. I can put a little bit more. What I use is tilted water. Another 1/2 cup and put it in. Then what I'm going to do is put the meat in. Yeah, this meat is pre-cooked a little bit, so I need to put them in just like that. 1 piece, and then what I'm going to do is just mix this with the carrots. Okay. Mix this with carrots. Now what I do, put the cover on, boil for another 5 minutes. I got 5 cups of rice, and the rice I use is jasmine rice from Thai. Here. And wash it cleanly with warm water. Okay, make sure you use warm water. And wash it. Make sure that the rice powder is white starch are all gone. Otherwise your food is going to get sticky. I don't like it sticky. So this is a clean rice, put it on the side. Actually I add extra 2 cups of water in that, and I have this amount of water in there. So it boiled for about 10 minutes, okay? Make sure carrots, meat boil together and get the flavor out of the meat and carrot to the juice, man. Now I'm ready to pour the rice in. So what I do while it's boiling, I just use this scoop and start it from the edges, okay? Pour like this. Start from edges and let it boil and put them in, okay? Don't mix it, okay? Do not mix it. Make sure do not mix it. That's very important. Do not mix the carrots with the rice. Okay, just spread the rice evenly on top, okay? Evenly on top. And let it boil a little bit. Then I'll show you what to do. Okay, what I did here is started from the edge and roll over the rice to the middle so that the rice and carrot is going to mix a little bit, okay? Make sure do not stir from the bottom because otherwise the heat from the bottom is going to stick onto the rice and burn your rice. So you have to be very careful. Then I spread them nicely. I did this for about 2 or 3 minutes, okay? This is a very time-consuming work. You have to be very careful.
Sure,
then I spread it all over. And some people like to add additional food on the top, like eggs or some other stuff.
Apples.
Eggs, apple, those kind of things. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut 2 pieces of apple. I'm going to also put 2 eggs on top of it. Okay, I cut a nice apple to half and just put it like this, like on the top of this. Then I have eggs, okay? Spread the eggs. I just squeeze it like that. Just put it on top like that. That doesn't matter, okay? Put another one right there in the middle. And the hoop, this time it can stay, okay? Okay, I just put it there. So now, one last thing is use 2 chopsticks and just stick some holes there and over there, there, so that the moisture can come out evenly. Okay, then I'm going to cover it and steam it with the temperature. Make sure lower temperature. I put the temperature right in the middle, right there, at number 5. And I cook it for 20 or 25 minutes. Okay, it was 25 minutes and the food is ready. I pulled all the meats to a separate plate. These are all ready. Then what I'm going to do, I mix you see the carrots, most of the carrots at the bottom. So, there are pieces that's burned on the bottom of the wok. So I don't care. Like, be careful and mix all the carrots in like this. See here? Mix all the carrots with rice. Now, you see, mix like this. I just start from whatever side you like and then just eventually go to the other end to be served. What I did, I put the 2 pieces of big chunks of meat on the top and egg, apple. And this is our delicious Uighur style polov. Let me taste it. Uighur used to eat with hand, like that. You get that piece? Oh, so delicious.